Hello, I'm Synthia from the Data and AI School of London, and you can find us at www.dataaischool.com. For years, the standard model in further education has been the conventional classroom, fixed timetables, fixed locations, everyone moving through the same content at the same pace, whether they're ready to move on or need more time. It works for some people, but it asks a lot of learners who are working, who are caring for family, or who simply learn better at their own pace. Hybrid teaching improved on this. Some sessions online, some in person, more flexibility around when and how people study. But in practice, hybrid models are often still built around fixed cohorts and fixed dates. You've gained some flexibility, but you're still fitting your life around a timetable that wasn't designed with you in mind. That's the gap we set out to close. At the Data and AI School of London, learning is built around the learner, not the timetable. For most of our qualifications, you can start on any working day, work through the material at a pace that suits you, and get your assessed work back within 10 working days. Where a qualification genuinely needs a fixed group, such as our functional skills English speaking and listening component, we run that as a scheduled cohort. Everything else is yours to work through in your own time. We're an NCFE approved centre, delivering regulated qualifications in cybersecurity, data, and digital skills, alongside functional skills English and maths. Our current priority qualifications include the Level 3 certificate in cybersecurity practices, our Level 3 technical occupational entry qualifications in data technician and digital support, and functional skills maths and English at Level 2. All course material sits on our online learning platform, so whether you're changing career, upskilling your team, or working towards a qualification you missed the first time round, you can start when you're ready. Visit www.dataaischool.com to see the full range of courses and find out how to apply. I'm Synthia, and I look forward to welcoming you to the Data and AI School of London.